வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி 8th லெசன். அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் தான் நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஹூ அமாங் த ஃபாலோயிங் இஸ் நோன் அஸ் த ஃபாதர் ஆஃப் ஹியூமனிசம்? ஆப்ஷன் பி, ஃப்ரான்சிஸ்கோ பெட்ரச் இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். The school of Athens was painted by option A, Raphael Sanzio is the correct answer. William Harvey discovered dash. Option D, circulation of blood is the correct answer. Who wrote the 95 Theses? Option A, Martin Luther is the correct answer. Who wrote the book Institutes of Christian Religion? Option C, John Calvin is the correct answer. Which sailor was the first to cross the equator? Option B, Lupo Gonsalves is the correct answer. Das named the sea was Pacific Ocean as it was very calm. Option C, Ferdinand Magellan is the correct answer. The continent of America was named after Amerigo Vespucci is the correct answer. Das was the headquarters of the Portuguese possession in the east. Option D, Goa is the correct answer. Which among the following plants were introduced from America to Europe? Option B, sweet potato is the correct answer. Filling the blanks, in 1453, Constantinople was captured by Ottoman Turks. Das was known as prince among humanists. Erasmus. Das is famous for his paintings in the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel. Michelangelo. The Reformation of Catholic Church is known as Counter-Reformation. The chief features of commercial revolution were banking, joint stock companies, and growth of trade. Find out the correct statement. They are giving the four statement. Option D, Council of Trent re-emphasized the importance of ceremonies and significance of the Mass is the correct answer. Second one, there are four options will be given. The option A and D is the correct answer. Next one, match the following. Feudalism, hierarchical socio-economic structure. Humanism, human dignity. Inequation, movement of goods between America and Europe. Mercantilism, monopoly trade. Columbian exchange, trial of Heraclius. Next one, answer the following. The invention of the printing press accelerated the process of modernization. Earlier manuscripts were written by hand on animal skin called vellum. Only the privileged few could access them. Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press in Germany in the middle of the 15th century. The printing press enabled the production of multiple copies of the manuscript and the spread all over Western Europe. In less than 50 years after the invention of Gutenberg printing press, about 6 million books had been printed. The invention of printing press had not only spread knowledge widely but also promoted critical thinking. Give a short note on impact of Renaissance. Its important contribution was the idea of humanism. The introduction and practice of writing in the vernacular starting from Dante enriched the growth of vernacular languages, which in turn provide the intellectual basis of the rise of nation states. Renaissance made a beginning is criticizing the corrupt and worldly practice of the Church, discovery of new land routes and remapping of the world. Similarly, inquisitiveness and empiricism of reassistance combined with knowledge of the classical science lead to new invention in science. Difference between Martin Luther with the Catholic Church. In the Catholic Church, Pope was the spiritual authority, but he lived in luxurious life like a prince. The Church prescribed a number of penances for the various sins. Church even began to grant pardon known as the indulgence for the fee. Luther opposed all these activities of the Church. He listed out the famous 95 Theses and pasted them on the church door. He put forward the doctrine of justification by faith. His Reformation marked the first successful break from the church and establishment of the Protestant church. Counter-Reformation. The Protestant Reformation posed a threat to the Catholic Church. In order to meet the challenge, Pope Paul III and his successors introduced a number of rigorous reforms in the Church. They dealt with corruption severely and stopped the sale of offices. The Council of Trent re-emphasized the importance of ceremonies and the significance of the Mass. Further, it revitalized the invocation to deal with the opposition to the Church. It also gave official sanction of the Society of Jesus. This reformation of the Catholic Church from within is known as the Counter-Reformation. One of the most important outcomes of the conquest of Americans by the European colonial powers was the movement of plants, animals, technology, culture, and strange diseases between the Americas and Europe, or between the New World and the Old World. This is known as columbial exchange. Answer the following in detail. The modern era was categorized by freedom of thought, individualism, rationalism, and economic and scientific progress. This age was heralded by Renaissance, Reformation, and geographical discoveries. Renaissance. It is marked a definite shift towards individualism, secularism, and nationalism. It made a beginning in criticizing the corrupt and worldly practice of the church. It contributed the intellectual basis for the rise of national states. Reformation. In the Middle Ages, the church enjoyed both spiritual and temporal powers. In due course of time, corruption entered the church. The critical thinking and inquisitive spirit of Renaissance humanism helped people to question such practices of the church. Reformation movement started by Martin Luther marked the first successful break from the church. Geographical discoveries transformed the European understanding of the world. Geographical discoveries led to commercial revolution and the emergence of banking and joint stock companies. As a result of geographical discoveries, the 17th century witnessed the emergence of various East India companies. Examine the outcome of geographical discoveries. The Ottoman Turks captured Constantinople in 1453 AD was the main cause of geographical discoveries in the 15th century. The geographical discoveries transformed the European understanding of the world. It led to the redrawing of the world map. The discovery of new lands and new sea routes shifted the economic center of Europe from Italian states to Spain and Portugal. Europe also exported deadly diseases such as smallpox, measles, chickenpox, malaria, typhus, etc. to Asian and African continents. The mass extinction of the native population led to the import of slaves from Africa. Congo, Gambia, Senegal become important centers of slave trade in Africa. Geographical discoveries led to commercial revolution and the emergence of banking and joint stock companies. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்கான வீடியோ ஐ வில் பி அப்லோடட் சூன். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை சேனல்.